Hey guys, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to deep dive into Ahsuite. Ahsuite is a simple and clean client portals. It lets you keep all your client communication organized so nothing get missed or lost. Your clients will appreciate the structure and professionalism, and you will be able to spend less time running your agency and more time designing or writing and running clients campaigns. It is a one place for sharing tasks and files, password and presentation and data studio reports. Okay, as you can see we're in Appsumo, and as of time of recording this video, Ahsuite running a Appsumo lifetime deal, and it cost you only $78. Okay, so if I go to bottom of this page, so as you can see it single plan $78, and it has one landing page and you get all the feature here. Unlimited clients, you can add unlimited clients, unlimited wizard for your clients, unrestricted iframe embed, so you can embeds iframe, customizable menu tabs, client auto login links, assign tasks, so all of the things. In double plans you can buy 2 courses and you get one landing page, unlimited sub accounts, white labeling, you can get white labeling option and custom domain and Google Tag Manager. And if you go multiple plan or you buy 3 courses, you get unlimited sub account, white labeling, custom domain and Google Tag Manager. Okay, let's see their actual tool and walk you through all the things you need to know about Ahsuite. Okay, so we are in Ahsuite. Okay, let's go to dashboard. As you can see, it is Ahsuite dashboard. If you log in, you can see this page, so it is minimal and looks good. Okay, so you need to add client first, okay, then the actual work happen. Okay, first of all you need to add a client, so you need to click here, click add new client. So as you can see, you need to enter your client company name, contact name, email address, and you need to add a password, phone number and website. So they will not mail, so you need to send them their login details so they can see their work, so they log in Ahsuite also and see what happening in the inside of Ahsuite. Okay, now I have add a client, so just go there. So here you can see I have add one client, so click here. It is a client portal, so your client see all the things you embed here and look like this. Okay, as you can see, let's say your client name Jessica, so you can see you can embed this and your client see this. Okay, Google Search Console report, like and landing page, query. Okay, and you see all the things. So here you can see client portal, and then you can see tasks. So if I go to tasks, so you can assign tasks to your client or team here. Okay, tasks have everything you need to manage complex projects. Okay, and checklist, templates, labels, dependency, attachment, calendar and more. Okay, you can add task here, so task name, due date and assign dependency, so you can add task and your client see that. And in work journals, your client see all the journals you add in your work journal, and you can converse with your client in conversation tab, And in file you can decide which files require client approval, such as agreements, proofs, custom labels, and search. Make organize your file life easy. And in password, Ahsuite's encrypted password manager make it easy to share password with only the people who need them. Okay. And also in work journal, it help your team keep track who did what when with timestamp log entries. Okay. So if I go to again client portal, as you can see settings and links. If you click in links, you can generate a link, and that you can share with your client, or with preview the client portal in view only mode. If you click on view, as you can see, you need to embed anything that your client needs. So you need to add title here, and you get many sources: Google Data Studio, Tableau, Figma, Google Presentation, Google Forms, Google Sheet, YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, other iframe URL. So you can add this, and here you can preview all the data, all the embed. Okay. So after add client portal, client portal look like this. So if you add Google Search Console, it look like this, and all the things. So I hope you get ideas what Ahsuite done for you. And if you have agency, or if you have a client, you need to manage your work, then this Ahsuite is great for you and very useful for you. This time they are running Appsumo lifetime deal for $78. So I give a link in the description. You can get 10% off if you buy from my link. And thank you so much for watching this video.